In this video, I'm going to show you how to recharge your Alipay wallet. So the first thing you want to do is simply open up your Alipay app on your phone, and then once you have your app opened up, you want to click the Me over here at the far bottom right. So it says Me, you want to click on this button, and then from here, inside these kind of settings menus, you want to click Balance, which is over here in the middle. So just tap on Balance, and from here, you will see a button which says Top Up. Click on Top Up, and once you select this button, over here you will have a already linked card. So if you have linked your card already, you will see it over here. But in case you haven't yet done this, you can click on it and then click Add Bank Card to Top Up. So over here, in case you don't have any cards in, you can just add a new one. It's quite simple. But what you have to note over here that this will only accept the mainland Chinese debit cards, okay? Once you click this, you can then either enter in your bank card number or you can click scan, and this will basically instantly extract your card information and start the autofilling process after you scan your credit card or bank card over here. So if you want to do that, you can do that, but you can just type it in as well over here and then click on add, and your card will get added. Now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.